Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the MSI MAG Z890 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard. This motherboard uses Intel's Z890 chipset and supports all of the latest Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processors on the LJ1851 socket. It uses a 6-layer 2-ounce copper PCB with server-grade materials and features a 16+1+1 Duet Rail Power System and 90 amps SPS. It's cooled by MSI's Frozr guard, which includes extended heatsinks and thermal pads for MOSFETs and additional chokes. Expansion slots include one PCIe 5x16 slot and two PCIe 4x16 slot. You also find a unique PCIe supplemental power connector for extra GPUs used in AI computing and gaming. The motherboard also comes with 4 DDR5 DIMM slots with memory boost and supports XMP memory modules with speeds of up to DDR5 9200 plus OC. For storage, you get 4 SATA ports and one PCIe Gen 5 M.2 slot and 3 PCIe Gen 4 M.2 slots, which is cooled by large heatsinks. The Easy PCIe release allows for easy removal of GPUs, while the Easy M.2 Frozr 2 and the Easy M.2 clips helps with the SSD installation, and you also get the Easy antenna for Wi-Fi 7. The motherboard supports a total of 22 USB ports, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, the 5GB LAN and Wi-Fi 7 on the rear I/O panel. The MSI MAG Z890 Tomahawk Wi-Fi has a ton of features and is perfect for both gamers and mainstream users alike. We'll be testing this motherboard using an Intel Core Ultra 9 285K along with 48GB of DDR5 8000 RAM. We'll also be using a GeForce RTX 5080 to see how the whole system performs. So let's begin the build, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and then we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the MSI MAG Z890 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard. It supports all of the latest Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processors on the LJ1851 socket. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. Okay, let's see what's inside here. This is the antenna for your Wi-Fi 7. Right, this is the motherboard. We'll take a look at that in a sec. We have a quick installation guide, some MSI stickers, some regulatory notices, and MSI shout out. We have a pair of SATA cables for your SSDs. We have an RGB extension cable. We have an easy connector extension cable, a USB thumb drive, 2 easy clips, and also the key for the easy clip lock there. Okay, here we have the motherboard. This is the MSI MAG Z890 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard. Comes in a nice all black aesthetic with some nice large heat sinks. This is the LJ1851 socket. This motherboard uses a 6-layer 2-ounce copper PCB with server grade materials and features a 16+1+1 Duet Rail Power System with 90 amps SPS. It's cooled by MSI's Frozr card, which includes extended heat sinks and thermal pads for MOSFETs and additional chokes. We'll start at the top. Here we have 2 8-pin PCIe power connector for your motherboard. We have 1 fan header hidden on the top left-hand corner here, and then we have 3 more fan headers on this side. This is your diagnostic LED, a 24-pin ATX power connector, and then the header for your easy connector, a USB 3 header right here, and USB Type E. We have 4 SATA ports right here, and there's your header for your front panel I/O. You have 2 ARGB headers here, and then 1, 2, 3 extra fan headers, 2 USB headers, and this is the PCIe supplemental power connector for extra GPUs. And then we have another 3-pin ARGB, a 4-pin ARGB, and then header for your audio. We also have 1 more fan header right there. Underneath this heatsink, we have the PCIe Gen 5 M.2 slot, and the M.2 Frozr heat shield is quite easy to remove. You just kind of unclip here, and this whole thing comes off. And to put it back, you just line it up and slot it in place with an easy click there. Same thing for this heat shield here. We have 2 PCIe Gen 4 M.2 slot. Again, you just kind of push here and this whole heat shield comes off. can access those M.2 slots right there. And to put it back, you just line it up and slots in place like that. For expansion slots, we have one PCI 5x16 slot and two PCI 4x16 slot. We also have the easy PCI release button right here, which allows you then to lock the graphics card for easy removal for GPUs. Here we have four DDR5 DIMM slots with memory boost and supports XMP memory modules with speeds of up to DDR5 9200 plus OC. Okay, let's take a look at the I/O. We'll start on this side. We have one HDMI and two Thunderbolt 4 ports. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2, 3 Type A and 1 Type C. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 USB 3s. There's the flash BIOS button, the clear CMOS button, and we have 5 gigabit LAN and 10 connectors for your Wi-Fi 7. And then we have line out, mic in, and SPDIF. So this motherboard has a lot of features and should be suitable for both gamers and mainstream users. We'll be testing this motherboard using an Intel Core Ultra 9 285K along with 48 gigabytes of DDR5 8000. We'll also be using a GeForce RTX 5080 to see how the whole system performs. Alright, so this was a quick unboxing of the MSI MAG Z890 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard. The MSI MAG Z890 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard is aimed at users who's after affordability without compromising on performance and features. This motherboard comes in an all-black aesthetic and includes their Frozr guard cooling system with large chipset heatsinks, giving you more efficient cooling. It offers good stability and reliability thanks to its 16+1+1 Duet Rail Power System with 90 amps SPS. During our tests, we managed to get some decent scores in all of our benchmarks. For Cinebench 2024, we got a score of 2,425 points for multi-core and 114 points for single-core. For PC Mark 10, we got a very good score of 9,998 and a score of 18,159 for Pass Mark 11. We also got a very good score of 4,990 for Procyon Video Editing benchmark and a score of 221 for the AI Computer Vision benchmark. For 3D Mark Steel Nomad Speedway, we got amazing scores of 8,638 and 8,868 respectively. And finally for Port Royal and TimeSpy, we got a very good score of 21,588 and 29,518 respectively. Building your own or buying an Intel-based PC doesn't necessarily have to be expensive. You should be able to get an affordable one with a price range of between $270 and $300. A high-end Z890 motherboard with more enthusiast features will probably cost you more than $300. What makes this motherboard so enticing is that it offers good performance at an attractive price and comes packed with a load of features normally found on higher-end Z890 motherboards. If you're after an affordable Z890 motherboard for gaming, content creation or AI computing, the MSI Z890 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard has it all. It offers decent aesthetics, good performance and comes packed with a ton of features. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com. And there you have it, that was a quick look at the MSI MAG Z890 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard. It's suitable for all the latest Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processors on the LGA1851 socket and offers decent performance with a good amount of gaming features. Hope you enjoyed this video, give us a like and then leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this by the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.